One step that presenters often overlook is conveying the meaning behind the numbers. This is a fine bulleted list, but I think we can add much more meaning if we turn it into a graphic. So I'll select it and hit delete. In its place, I'm going to add the graphic of the United States. Here's a map. I'll click Insert, and I'll make it quite a bit bigger. Use my arrow keys to move it down just a hair. And to show the locations, I'm going to add a pushpin graphic. I'll click Insert Picture, and bring in the pushpin, and click Insert. Again, I'll have to resize it and remove the background. Move the selection box and only capture that area that I want. Remember that while using the Remove Background tool, we can mark the areas that we want to keep and remove. It'll take a few tries to get it right, but after a while, it'll look pretty good. Let's resize the image, but keep it large enough for people to see. Let me zoom back. And now it's just a matter of copy and pasting our pushpin into the right locations. We have Ventura, that's right about there. As a shortcut, when I want to create a copy of what I have selected, I'll drag, but hold down the Control key. This keeps the original in its location while creating a new one wherever I let go. It wouldn't be a bad idea for me to add text boxes labeling each pushpin. I'll click Insert, then Text Box, click Anywhere, and start typing. I'll click on the boundary of the text box and simply just change the color to something a little bit more readable. I can reposition it, make it a little bit smaller, even bold it, and then I'll use the same copying technique where I drag with my mouse, holding down Control, to create a duplicate. A triple click allows me to select all of the text, and I retype. I hope these examples show you that designing effective PowerPoint slides requires an interesting mix of being creative while having some technical know-how. The best way to succeed here is to experiment with new ideas and see what works.